incidentally, I'd like to make mention, holders of 494 visa, you are eligible to get your families to come to Australia on subsequent entries. No, dun sa mga ginawa naming mga applications, especially for skilled meat worker, for butchers, no? Because we've done more than 500 application last year. And now we are nearing 400 applications for 494. And all of them were approved, no? So kung hindi nyo alam, if you're holding a 494 visa, para sa mga butchers na ginawa na namin, please come to us, please come back to us, and then we can do a subsequent entry for your families kung may asawa kayo o kung may mga anak kayo na gusto nyo nang papuntahin ng Australia. And para doon sa, di kasi namin pwedeng i-announce yung mga companies na hawak namin, pero kung 494 visa kayo, I'm pretty sure kami yung nag-process ng inyong, at kayo ay butcher, I'm sure na kami yung nag-process ng inyong 494 at saka 482. So yung mga records nyo nasa amin na. So para ma-streamline kayo, mabilis na, isa na lang paper kailangan nyo, which we can always ask from your employer. Okay, so again, attention na, yung mga 494 skilled meat workers or butchers na nakatanggap ng kanilang 494 or visa granted in the last 3 years, you can get your family, you can get your de facto partner or your wife to come to Australia. You come to us, we have a very, very special price for you. And kasi nasa amin na yung mga records nyo, we cannot just announce kung sino yung employer nyo because we don't have the permission. Okay? So, but we are happy to accept you and to assist you. Okay, so I think we will be closing very soon. Okay, si Kiel Loyola Garcia. Hello po, attorney.